For this video, we're going to calculate marginal propensity to consume. We're going to call that MPC, marginal propensity to consume. That's going to tell us out of every new dollar that we earn in income, how much are we going to use for consumption. So our formula for the marginal propensity to consume is going to be the change in consumption divided by the change in disposable income. If you have the book, I think it calls it YD instead of DI, but just because of what we have, we're going to use that. So again, if I get a new dollar of income, how much am I going to spend of that? Let's say I'd spend 70 cents. That would be my marginal propensity to consume. But we're going to use the data that we have here to calculate the marginal propensity to consume. So we're going to have to use two different rows. Okay, so if we go from 0 to 100 disposable income, we're going to go from 60 to 140 in consumption. So we're going to do 140 minus 60. That's the change in consumption. We're going to divide that by 100 minus 0, and that's going to be 80 divided by 100, which is 0.8. Okay. It doesn't really matter which two rows that we're going to use. It's always going to be 0.8. It's a linear function. So let's just try another one. Let's go from 300 to 400 in disposable income. So our change in consumption is going to be 380 minus 300 divided by 400 minus 300. And that's going to be 80 divided by 100, which is still 0.8. So we have to use two rows, but it should stay the same no matter what. So if you test it and you do, these two and you get a different answer here, something went wrong, so just check your math.